Do you realize by the time every student has graduated high school, they have dabbled into the occult and unknowingly unleashed unholy hell with what they have learned? Here are a few examples of the crafts our Creator warned us not to be deceived to do, that are now prospering in our hands. Chemistry, which is alchemy, witchcraft. The effects of this craft are self-explanatory. Mankind has become gods by the miscongeniation of even the smallest of elements of nature, the atom, to be the most destructive force in nature, the atom bomb. The holy high ones cannot create anything. For this reason, they must counterfeit and use the elements already created to form the deadly concoctions that are killing us unawares. For example, did you know the man responsible for the Nobel Peace Prize, Alfred Nobel, claimed to fame was the invention of nitroglycerin for dynamite? His invention caused so many deaths, he was affectionately called the Merchant of Death, before he discovered it could be used for medical purposes. Taking this cue, he reinvented his image and used his fortune to fund what we now call the Nobel Peace Prize. Likewise, but in reverse, scientists have taken common animal dung and found a way to make explosives out of it. On a different note, but within the same song, is the fact that industrial companies do not test their products with other household chemicals. The makers of animal shampoo products do not test their products with the chemicals found in, let's say, carpet. Both are extremely toxic by themselves and obviously come in contact with each other. With the understanding that it only takes one molecule to make something that is safe on its own extremely dangerous, what do you think two dangerous products will produce? Landfills spew methane gas constantly into the air. What happens when it mixes with, let's say, hairspray molecules? Did you know there is a dangerous chemical that is detected in every human in the civilized world that we cannot get rid of? According to WebMD, under is Teflon chemical toxic? Quote, a chemical used to make Teflon somehow got into the blood of everybody on Earth. How did it get there? What does this mean to your health? These are very important questions. The answer? Nobody knows. To find out, the EPA has assembled a distinguished panel of outside experts, but they don't start work until next month. Meanwhile, the long-standing chemical continues to accumulate in the environment and our bodies. It would take your body 2 decades to get rid of 95% of it, assuming you are not exposed to any more. Example, I could go on and on and on about the dangers and dangerous men behind the alchemy we now call chemistry. Everything from biological weapons to the Tuskegee studies are under the umbrella of this craft.